Tired of sending the same email to everyone in your database, hoping something sticks? Let's transform your lead management game with Follow-Up Boss Smart Lists and laser focus your marketing in just a few clicks. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. Then, navigate to the People tab in the main menu located on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the Smart Lists section and click on the Add List button to create your first dynamic list. This opens the Smart List creation window where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of filters you can use to define your target audience. Consider filtering by lead source, tags, last contacted date, or even custom fields. For example, let's say you want to reach out to all leads in Austin. Simply select the appropriate filter, such as city, and enter Austin. To further refine this list, you could add another filter. Perhaps you only want to contact leads from your Facebook ads. Add a lead source filter and specify Facebook ads. Once you've set your desired filters, give your smart list a descriptive name, like Austin Facebook leads. Finally, click the Save button. Now you have a dynamically updating list of all your Austin Facebook leads. This list will automatically update as new leads meeting the criteria are added to your Follow-Up Boss account, saving you time and ensuring you always reach the right people. That's it. Now you can craft targeted messages and watch your engagements soar. Happy selling.